Hope you're doing well. Today we want to make jam biscuit. Let's go for ingredients. 8 tablespoons of butter to be in the room temperature. 1 whole egg, 1 yolk, 8 tablespoons of sugar, 27 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Little nut for decoration. Using sesame seed and coconut and sprinkles and walnut. You use whatever you want. Jam for the middle sweet, whatever jam you like jam or just cherry jam or strawberry jam. A little bit honey for the decoration we'll use. My dear friend, my new tray for our biscuit. Don't have star, then you can use a lid, same as this box. Mix the butter with the sugar to 3 to 4 minutes. Add the egg and the yolk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla and mix it in 1 minute. Need to be like this and then add the dry ingredient to the bowl. Add the baking powder and the salt in the flour. The butter will be a little bit sticky. Let it rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour. If the batter is not sticky, then you can use it for the same time for the shaping. So it rested in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now let's take off the cover and let's see if it's sticky or not. My different dough is ready. Take 1 of sellotape and put the dough and then put the other sellotape. Now with this, open the dough very slowly. 3 minutes, open the dough. Do not be thick or thin. It's ready for the shaping. Now remove the sellotape, my dear friends. For 1 biscuit, we need 2 stars. A small vanilla lid to make in the between the stars. We need 1 whole and 1 normal. Any mature people that equally you have to prepare with whole. Make the biscuit for 50 minutes. My dear friend, the biscuits are ready. Take a star hole, dip it in the honey. The honey is sticky. You can use coconut or sesame seed. Put jam in the middle of the star. Put the whole star top of that. My dear friend, do decorate for the rest of these biscuits. I believe if you make the biscuit, you will love it. Instead of that, you can use marmalade. Let's test. My different, it's super yummy and crispy. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please subscribe and like my channel. See you in the next video. I love you all. Mwah.